My name is Mauricio Beltran. I'm an architect and structural engineer. I work at the Department of Architecture in the Faculty of Architecture at Yashar University. And the project which I'm going to explain you, transformation or the translation of topology optimized structures into a discrete system. Usually when we optimize this structure, they have a kind of organic form. However, when we translate it into a system, this can be discretized in elements that can be assembled. So the project aims to explore how can we do that using conventional 3D printers and also using common materials like timber and steel profiles. So usually when we have continuum structures, they have an organic form like this one. So what we do in our research is realize that this is difficult to fabricate. So what we do is we separate, let's say, this part, which is much complicated, and we 3D print it using our 3D printers. And then in this part, we turn them into regular bars. So for example, here you see that the node is this one, and we 3D printed here. This is the orange one representing this one. And then this one here is the timber bar here. This one is the other one. And then of course the bigger one is the bar here. As a result of this research, we produce a number of publications. One of them is in the Journal of Architectural Computing, and in which we explain our method to convert these topology optimized structures, Continuum, into discrete system using bars and 3D print nodes. At the same time, a few weeks ago, we presented these outcomes and the research in one of the most well-known conferences about spatial structures, which is ISS in London, although we attend online.